Hi there, we're speaking with attorney Craig Rosenstein about Arizona's new mugshot law. First of all, define the law. What is it?
The mugshot bill, and now it's a law, prevents third-party websites from hosting people's mugshots with the intention of extorting them for money. So if somebody got arrested many years ago and they had their mugshot up, there were these websites that were getting it through the Freedom of Information Act. They were putting it up there so that if you Googled their name, that's the first thing or second thing that came up.
Sure.
It's preventing a lot of good people from getting jobs just because their mugshots were online. And what would happen is you would then contact that company and then they would charge you money to take it down. It's an extortion ring.
Sure, sure. Now this is outside of credible news organizations getting those mugshots.
Of course. We worked very closely with the news organizations to make sure that for a news purpose they could still use mugshots, and if, for public safety purposes they could still be shown on the news if somebody's at large. We didn't want to impede that in any way, shape, or form, but what we did do was help create a situation where people have the ability to remedy it if there are websites who are trying to, for all intents and purposes, extort them.
Mm-hmm. And you said we because you and your law group are really responsible for this thing getting pushed through, right?
I like to take credit when it's due and also share it.
Why not?
In this case, my office was the one who wrote the bill, so we were primarily responsible for getting it there, and then AACJ, which is a great organization, one I've been part of for a long time now, used its lobbying efforts in order to get it passed through the legislature and signed by the governor.
Now, what if, okay, so it's become law recently, right? What if a mugshot is still there on a website? They just haven't taken it down yet? What does somebody do?
The beauty of this bill is it affords the individual the opportunity to seek remedies from those providers that aren't compliant, even if those providers are out of state. So what I would say is this. If you Google yourself and a mugshot website is still showing up, probably give our office a call. We will very much be able to help and assist you getting that mugshot taken down.
All right, Craig Rosenstein, the Rosenstein Law Group. Craig, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Great stuff. We'll see you next time.